Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the upcoming OnePlus 9 smartphone, the hands-on leaked images here. The latest OnePlus 9 leak come from a YouTuber, big YouTuber, tech YouTuber Dave2D, one of my favorite YouTuber, and I give us a good detailed look at the Pro model through a series of hands-on images. The overall design is quite similar to the non-Pro model, which leaked back in December in 2020 and was even auctioned off on eBay later that month. So as you can see, this is the OnePlus 9 Pro hands-on images. It's come from a Dave2D YouTube channel. The OnePlus 9 Pro come with a 4-camera module and Hasselblad branding on the camera Iceland. This will be the first time in a while that the Swedish camera maker is partnering with a smartphone company and is an indication of the OnePlus camera focused R&D effort. We are expecting a wide, ultra-wide macro and a deep sensor module layout here, and sadly no periscope lens. There is in images of the camera UI which showcase the different modes including nightscape, tilt shift and pro mode. The camera UI show that the phone can take photos from 0 to 6 mode through its ultra wide module and up to 3.3x, which is presumably done through cropping from the main sensor. The new leak also confirmed that the OnePlus 9 Pro come with a curved screen with a QHD plus resolution 3120 by 1440 pixel resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate, which can run simultaneously. It's expected to run the flagship Snapdragon 888 with up to 12 gigs of RAM and should support a 4500 mAh battery with a 65-watt wired and a 45-watt wireless charging. The Pro is also expected to come with an IP rating, which is quite rare for the brand. The OnePlus 9 series is expected to arrive early than last year 8 series, supposedly in a mid-March, which is just a month away. Based on currently, we are expecting a total of 3 devices, including OnePlus 9, 9 Pro and 9 Lite. So this is the latest report about the upcoming OnePlus 9 series. Also check out these images. It's a nice camera design of the back side, and also like the video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace out and bye.